Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Keep the videos on. Yes, Vishnu, Anish, Aman, keep the videos on. So, the trial balance is clear to you? Yes, Anish, say what is trial balance?
Ma'am, arithmetic accuracy is checked by statement.
Hmm. In order to check the arithmetical accuracy, it is a statement. Trial balance is a statement prepared to check the arithmetical accuracy. Okay, of what? Of all the ledger balances. To make sure the journal entries and ledger are correctly done. So next, we are going to do a problem. Okay. Before that, once again, let me explain the methods of preparing trial balance. We have two methods, and you can find third method in the your textbook also, total cum balance method. The first method is balance method. Only the balances of ledger accounts are taken to prepare the trial balance. So that method is also called net trial balance. And then we have totals method. Totals method means the total of both credit column and debit column is considered to prepare the trial balance. Okay, so I will show you how to do this trial balance based on both these methods, that is balance method as well as total methods. Here you can see Ramesh account. Can you see the Ramesh account? There is an account. Ramesh account is given. Okay. So this is Ramesh account. And you can see the totals of both the sides. 49,800 is the total of one side and balancing figure is 27,300. Okay. 27,300. So total of debit side total is 49,800. Now, when you check the total of the credit side, you get 22,500. Total. So the total of credit side and total of debit side. Which side is more? Debit side is more. 49,800 is more. So the balancing figure comes here. How do you get it? 49,800 minus 22,500. Correct? You get 27,300. This is how you get the balancing figure. Okay. Now, how to prepare trial balance based on balance method? Balance method. Balance method means what? Only the balancing figure is taken. Balancing figure is taken. So what is the balancing figure here? It is the 27,300. Correct? The balancing figure. Okay. Now what is that balancing figure? Is it a debit balance or a credit balance? It is a debit balance. Why? The debit side is more. Debit side is more, then it means it is the debit balance. Okay, so now look at the trial balance. Here you have only Ramesh. So Ramesh is written. Okay. And from the account, we saw the balancing figure 27,300. It is a debit balance. Okay. This is how we prepare the balance method trial balance. Coming to totals method. How to do it in the totals method. Here we are going to take the total of debit side and credit side. The same Ramesh, okay, Ramesh is written. On the debit side, debit column, we will write the debit total. Debit total. How much is that? 49,800. On the credit side, we will write the credit total. How much is that? 22,500. So here it is the totals taken, not the balancing figure. Okay? Yes, understood? Clear, Pranav? Okay, no? Okay. So next, you can find the difference between balance method and totals method. Trial balance by balance method, trial balance by totals method. So balance method, it can be prepared after all the ledger accounts have been balanced. We need the balancing figure. For that, balancing should be done. Correct? Okay. Trial balance by totals method. It can be prepared immediately after the completion of posting from books of journal entry to the ledger. You don't have to wait till balancing. You just have to find the total. Yeah, totals of both the sides are found out. That is the amount transferred to trial balance. Balancing is not done there. Once you complete posting it to the ledger, you find the total, you get the totals. And that is the total we are writing in the trial balance. Again, trial balance by balance method. It shows the balances of all the accounts. In the totals method, it shows the total amounts of debit and credit sides in the ledger account. Then the next point that is important. In the balance method, it considers only those accounts which show a balance. The accounts having the balancing figure, only that amounts, the balancing figure only is taken. Sometimes when you close the account, there will be no balance. Both the sides will be equal. If an account has no balance, it will not be considered. Sometimes some account say which one? Let's take rent. Both the sides, cash 5,000, bank 5,000. So there could be some accounts like this where both the sides are same, equal, no? Is there any balancing figure here? No. So such accounts need not be considered when preparing balance method because there is no balancing figure. But we will take it only for totals method. Totals method considers all accounts. All accounts are taken as we are taking the totals. Balancing figure is not required there. So is it clear till now? Okay. So now let us see a problem. Those who have joined late, Who have joined late? Aparna, Krishna. Both of you, once again, listen here. This is an account given. Ramesh account is given to you. How do we prepare trial balance under balance method and totals method? Keep the video on. Krishna, Aparna, keep the video on. Aparna? Okay. So, under balance method, only the balancing figure is considered. So, here you can see Ramesh account, which is the balancing figure. It is the 27,300. Okay. And what balance is that, Aparna?
Debit balance.
Louder.
Debit balance.
It is the debit balance. So see the trial balance method. Ramesh, this balancing figure, as it is the debit balance, you write it under debit column. Okay. Now, coming to totals method. For totals method, we will take the total of both the sides, debit side as well as credit side. Debit side total is 49,800 and credit side total is 22,500. So both these totals should be taken for the total method. Trial balance by total method. So Ramesh, debit side total is 49,800, credit side total is 22,500. Okay, this is the way we prepare trial balance. It is very easy. Only thing is we will be doing balance method only. Okay, this I just gave you the instruction how we do both the method. We will be doing problems on balance method only. Okay, now here is a problem. I want you all to work out this problem. We are going to prepare trial balance. Before that, enter the following transactions in the subsidiary books, post them into ledger and prepare trial balance. So it is not journalizing. We are not going to journalize it. You are supposed to prepare subsidiary books. So first read the transaction and see to which subsidiary book you should write it to. Whether it is the cash book, purchase returns book, sales returns book. After that, we will prepare ledger accounts. So first do subsidiary books. Start preparing the subsidiary books. Keep the video on and do the problem, please. Read the transactions and find out to which account, not which account, sorry, subsidiary book. Which subsidiary book it should be written. Sudhir commenced business with cash. That means Sudhir started business with cash. To which account will we write this? Rahul, yeah?
Cash account.
Cash book. Cash account. And here it is our subsidiary books. So it is the cash book. Okay. Bought furniture from Raj Furniture House. Pranav, to which book?
Purchase account.
Purchase book. Subsidiary book I am asking. Okay. Purchase book. Okay. Anish, purchased goods for cash.
Purchase book.
Purchased goods for cash.
Cash book, cash book.
Ah, cash book. Very good. Yes, Aman, next one. Purchased goods from Marathi and Company for 15,000.
Ma'am, purchase book.
Purchase book. Okay, very good. Krishna, opened a bank account by depositing 15,000. No, 20,000.
Cash book.
Cash book. Okay, cash book. Yes, Vishnu. Sold goods for cash.
Cash book.
Cash book. Very good. Purchased stationery from RK Mart. Alan. I didn't call the name. Alan Wagis. Anyway, others, please start doing those.
Yes, ma'am.
Purchased stationery from RK Mart. Which subsidiary book will you write it to? Yes. Akshay, which book?
Purchase book.
It is not purchase book. It is petty cash book. Okay, or purchase book. Okay, we'll write it in the purchase book or petty cash book. Okay. Then sold goods to Sakir Khan. Pranav,
Sales book.
sales book. Goods returned by Sakir Khan. Anish,
Ma'am, sales return.
sales return. Very good. Yes, please continue doing. Everybody start doing it. Goods purchased on credit from Khosla. It is purchase book. Goods returned to Khosla. What is that, Krishna?
Purchase return.
Purchase returns. Paid electricity bill, cash book. Cash sales, cash book. Withdrew 2,000 for private use from the bank. Again, cash book. Please do it, subsidiary books. There is one clarification to be made. Bought furniture from Raj Furniture House. We cannot write it in the purchase book. It is the asset purchase. Yes, Anish, it is in the journal proper. Okay. The second one, bought furniture from Raj Furniture House. It is not part of the goods. It is the purchase of an asset. So asset, when purchased on credit, we have no place to write it. So we will write it in the journal proper. And also stationery. Stationery on credit. So that also we will write it in the journal proper. For petty cash book, we write all the cash transactions. For petty expenses, it is not the credit. So here, number 4th, November 4th and also the stationery. November 10th. Both of that we will write it in the journal proper. Yes. Any other doubts? Please ask me. Yes. Are you able to do? Nobody is having any doubt? Please do it. The last hour we'll have the exam, bank exam. Yes. How is it progressing? Check your answer. Cash book. Purchase book. Marathi and Company 15,000. There is a trade discount of 10%. Check your answers. Yes, Aman, what happened? Got everything correct? Or is there any doubt? Okay. So please complete this, and after doing this, prepare the ledger accounts. So you should have purchase account, sales account, purchase return account, sales return account, stationery account, capital account. For everything, you should have separate account. Need not prepare cash account. No need of cash account. Why? Cash book serves the duty of both ledger and journal. So no need to prepare a cash account. After preparing ledger accounts, using the balancing figures, we need to prepare trial balance. Yes, Anish, Alan, Vishnu, Krishna, completed. Why the videos are off? If you have completed, start with the ledger accounts. You will have to prepare 14 ledger accounts. 14. Alan, Shibu started with accounts, ledger account. Yes, Alan, facing network issue. Yes, Alan, enjoying all these? Smiling at the, okay, Alan. Smiling at the subsidiary books, you liked it? See, for all these, purchase 1, Marathian Company 2, electricity 3, drawings 4, capital 5, sales 6, Khosla 7, purchase account is already there 7, then sales already prepared 8, purchase return 9, sales return, Sakir Khan 10, Khosla 11, furniture 12, stationery 13, and there is one more. 14 accounts will be there. Purchase return, sales return, furniture account, stationery account, capital account. Try to complete it. We'll discuss ledger account in the next class, and also we'll prepare the trial balance. I stop with this. See you in the next session. And the last session, you will have the exam, banking. Please join on time. Those facing network issue, let me know before that. Sorry. Thank you.